Shan?
Yeah. Wait, I'm trying to connect this vodka, but it's not working. It's giving me heartburn.
Just keep drinking.
Vodka does give you a bit of heartburn.
Oh, I can't eat any more chips. That is for sure.
Vodka also makes you shit blood.
What is she doing?
I'm trying to drink my vodka.
Rach, are you okay? Shan will be puking in.
Water?
Rachel, do you need some water or something?
Drink vodka? Blackcurrant?
I've just done like 3 shots in a row now. I'm a legend. I'm in the legend group.
Legendary.
You're a chicken legend.
No, I was like a chicken ledge.
Ledge. That was so funny.
You're a chicken legend.
Do I dye hair?
Yeah.
You do.
I'll look after it.
We're not drunk, you are. You just go sit there.
We'll stick
Yeah,
it back
I'm not
on.
drunk. We'll keep your head up.
Ah, head in the ashtray! Ew!
What
Rach,
a
your head's in the
pikey.
ashtray.
Pikey. It's on his face.
Chin chin.
Try rolling one, it's really hard. You got like,
Rachel, why have you got a pillow in your
Yeah.
face?
put that in there and then roll it up.
Told you I was your kittle.
But
Just
the more
do
you
it.
like do that with it,
It's gone.
the better it is. You'll probably do it straight away.
Shannon's just drank about half a bottle of vodka and you go, she'll be on the floor now.
I'm a fucking chicken ledge.
She'll try and stand up and she'll hit the floor.
No. Don't let me outside for fuck's sake. You're making me feel ill.
Look at Shannon.
Wait, will you sit?
Babe,
Really?
I got the glass.
What? You don't feel better? Right?
Forgot the glass. Shannon just tipped her head back and went, I forgot the glass.
What is an iron?
Oh.
She just fell out of the caravan.